Samsung's main focus this year is performance in camera, and it doesn't look like they're going to disappoint. Yes, Galaxy S23 Ultra is coming with a new 200-megapixel shooter which can shoot amazing day and nightlight images. Today we have confirmation of the game-changing specs of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and with the first samples of the improvements. Samsung announced the Galaxy S22 series on February 9, 2022. That means it's been about 8 months since the launch and only a few months away from seeing and we expect to be the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. The Galaxy S22 series are still great phone. The Galaxy S23 series is poised to be a step up in several areas. First, the Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Plus will likely see a significant design overhaul. This will be the first time Samsung switched up the formula since 2021. The Galaxy S21 and Galaxy S22 series looks very similar with the exception of the Ultra. Notably, leaked renders suggest the phones could adopt the look of the Galaxy S22 Ultra, with the rear camera module broken up into 3 islands for each lens. If having the newest look is important to you, waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S23 family might be worth it. Next up, we've got the news that the charging speeds of the S23 Ultra may not actually be increasing. Now many sources are claiming of a 45-watt fast charging of when connected with a wire. While that's still ahead of some of the competition, it's also very behind others. Now Samsung have been playing it safe in terms of the fast charging, so it's not really surprising to see, but it would have been nice to see at least a small bump in the charging speed. Rumors suggest Samsung will skip its own Exynos processor for next year's flagship phone. This could also be an important factor in your decision-making if you live in an area where Exynos is your only choice at the moment. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra comes with a slightly curved display, more like a flat display and simple. Also, the display is getting an update. A whopping 2000 nits peak brightness that refers on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. And now Samsung will put in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but with these renders the back is also flat. Looking at the design, that is why the metal frame on the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks thicker, because of its flatter design. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.